I'm mitigating the airplanes for you guys so you guys don't have to deal with the blowout from the jet noise. So this is the panel where I'm going to mount all the electrical components for the boat. I already mounted and labeled and fused the fuse block, right? Everything on the left side is switched. Everything on the right side is constant on. The GPS is set to constant on because it's removable. So whenever I bring the boat into the house or the backyard, I'm taking the GPS off. So all the nav light, the anchor lights, the bow lights, the anchor light, which is on the stern, which is also the rear nav light, the fog lights for the front, the stereo, and the bilge is all switched. The GPS and the 12-volt DC outlet, the circuit lighter outlet, and the USB outlet will be on the same fuse. It's a 30 amp fuse, so that should not have any issues. These little pieces of encapsulated plywood are mounting blocks, so that way I could mount it to here on the back side and one under, so that it'll rest on the cross member for the helm. I'm waiting on a 30 amp DC fuse, so it'll get mounted to here, and I'll get routed to the ground. So if this blows, it kills the power to everything. So if it's more than a 30 amp draw, it'll kick over. With that, the idea is that if something shorts out on the DC outlet, it'll kill the circuit to everything. And then next to that, we'll get the trickle charger for the deep cycle battery will go here, and then I'll get wired in with some Anderson connectors, and I have a plug that I want to buy. But with the idea of buying things, it requires money, and since I don't have any money, I gotta wait until my paycheck.